Okay, good morning students, second piece students. Okay, today let us go to next concept, increasing and decreasing. Increasing and decreasing, the definition: let I be an interval, any interval a comma b, b comma c, any interval I be an interval contained in the domain of a real valued function. I be an interval contained in the domain of a real valued function, contained in the domain, so depending on the domain. Then f is said to be increasing. Increasing means increasing on I if x1 less than x2 in I. x1 x2 are the in I interval inside elements, belongs to elements. Okay, in I x1 less than x2 in I, apply the both side functions. F of x1 here less than means this is less than or equal to x1 less than x2 implies f of x1 less than or equal to f of x2 for all x1 comma x2 belongs to I. x1 x2 is the I elements, belongs to elements. Next, this is increasing, this is strictly increasing. Strictly increasing means x1 less than x2, that implies f of x1 less than f of x2. Here less than means this is also less than. Less than means less than implies f of x1 less than f of x2 means strictly increasing. Here increasing, less than means less than or equal to. Less than means less than is strictly increasing. Next, decreasing on I, decreasing. x1 less than x2, that implies f of x1 greater than or equal to f of x2. Here totally reverse, less than reverse, greater than or equal to. Less than reverse, greater than or equal, opposite means increasing, decreasing. Strictly decreasing means here less than means here greater than. The only decreasing means less than implies greater than or equal to. Strictly decreasing means less than implies greater than. Increasing means less than implies less than or equal to. Less than implies less than means strictly increasing. Diagrams. Increasing means what? Increasing means this is increasing down to up, this one increasing, but here if up to this one increasing. Next, here to here, the increasing means that is not a perfect increasing. So here this is also strictly increasing, only one, same way, straight. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, this one. This is 1 2 3, next to 3, next to 10, 11. This is increasing, but this is strictly increasing, straight way. Decreasing up to bottom, so this is decreasing. This is strictly decreasing, up to bottom is straight decreasing. This is one, this is the curve, up down, this is the curve, this one, curve. These also neither increasing nor decreasing. There is no decreasing, increasing, this one. Okay, write the notes. Okay, next. This is the definition. This is one. Next one, easiest method. First derivative test or something derivative type. This is very easy. Maximum 99% of problems using this second method, derivative method. Let f be a continuous f be a continuous on closed interval a comma b, on closed interval a comma b, and differentiable on open interval a comma b. Is already mean value theorem. Closed interval a comma b. Then first one, f is strictly increasing. F is strictly increasing on closed interval a comma b, strictly increasing on closed interval a comma b if f dash of x greater than 0. F dash of x means what? Derivative one time. F dash of x greater than 0 for each x belongs to open interval a comma b. Second one, f is strictly decreasing on closed interval a comma b if f dash of x less than 0 for each x belongs to open interval a comma b. F is constant. F is a constant function. F is a constant function on closed interval a comma b. F is a constant function on closed interval a comma b if in constant derivative 0, derivative of constant 0 for each x belongs to open interval a comma b. This is the important one in problems using this method. Okay, first f of x, any function are given, the increasing function or decreasing function, how to decide? First derivative with respect to x. That f dash of x is greater than 0 means this is strictly increasing. F dash of x less than 0 means strictly decreasing. F dash of x 0 means constant function. There is no increasing, there is no decreasing. This one is in the increasing decreasing function, compulsory one question are given in the examination, 2 marks question or 3, maximum 90% 2 marks question, 2 marks question. Okay, next right now. Some formulas. First one, x greater than a, x greater than a is any number. X greater than a means x belongs to open interval a to infinity. X greater than a, above a not a, greater than a also not there, a to up to infinity. Second one, x less than a, that implies x belongs to a less than a, less than below a. For example, a is equal to, below a means 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2 up to minus infinity. So minus infinity to a. Less than or greater than means only open interval. Apply the open interval. Okay, is clear? Greater than or less than means open interval. Infinity is plus infinity, minus infinity, or always open interval. Next, a less than x less than b, that implies all are less than means open interval. X belongs to open interval a comma b. A less than or equal to x less than or equal to b means x belongs to closed interval a comma b. X belongs to closed interval a comma b. Next, fifth one, x greater than 0 means what? X greater than 0 means what? X belongs to open interval 0 to infinity. X greater than or equal to 0, greater than or equal to is nothing but closed interval. X belongs to closed interval 0 to infinity. This one. Next, another very very important one, a less than b, x minus a into x minus b less than 0. A quadratic equation we convert into roots type, x minus a into x minus a and x minus b is equal to what? This is the quadratic equation, ax square plus b quadratic equation. This type less than 0 means what is the answer? X belongs to open interval capital A comma b. Here a is the small value, b is the biggest value. Next, x minus a into x minus b is less than or equal to 0. What is the difference between less than and less than or equal to? Less than means only open interval, less than or equal to means closed interval. That is the difference. X belongs to closed interval a comma b. So x minus a into x minus b is greater than 0. X minus a into x minus b is greater than 0 means x minus a into x minus b is greater than 0 means what? This is less than 0 means lies between a and b. X lies between a and b. And greater than 0 means x does not lies between a and b. So this is minus infinity to a union b to infinity. This is one. Minus infinity to a union b to infinity. Next, last one, x minus a into x minus b greater than or equal to 0 means what? He always minus infinity plus infinity always open interval. So minus infinity, this is greater than or equal to means so closed a and closed b to infinity. Infinity always open interval. These are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 10 formulas are very very important to the problems of, okay, to the calculate the problems very useful, okay, compulsory. This is important one. Pleasant. Okay na? Okay, let us go to exercise. Show that the function given by f of x is equal to 3x plus 17 is strictly increasing on R. What we have to show that the given function is strictly increasing on R. Actually, the first definition one is x less than x1 less than x2. That implies f of x1 less than f of x2 is all means strictly increasing. That is the some tough method. So the second one, note is what is the meaning of note? Strictly increasing means what? F dash of x greater than 0. Strictly decreasing means f dash of x less than 0. So first we have to find derivative of given function. Solution, given that f of x is equal to 3x plus 17. Differentiate with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to 3 into 1 plus 0, 3. 3 is greater than 0 or greater than or equal to 0? Less than 0 or less than or equal to 0? 3 is the exactly greater than 0. Therefore, f dash of x is greater than 0 means what? F dash of x greater than 0 means the given function is strictly increasing. Therefore, the function is strictly increasing. This is greater than or equal to 0 means what? Only increasing. Strictly increasing on R. Next one problem. Show that the function given by f of x is equal to e power 2x is also strictly increasing. Strictly increasing on R. This is also. So first of all, given f of x is equal to e power 2x, differentiate with respect to x, f of x derivative f dash of x, e power 2x derivative e power 2x into 2. These are always greater than 0 because exponential function is always greater than 0. Every exponential function is greater than 0. So the function is strictly increasing strictly increasing on R. The function is strictly increasing on R. Okay, write down. Next one. Next. Show that the function f is given by, show that the function f is given by f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square, x cube minus 3x square plus 4x on strictly increasing on R, strictly increasing on R. Okay, what is the solution? Given f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 4x, differentiate with respect to x, f dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 6x plus 4, x cube derivative 3x square, 3 into x square derivative 2x, 3 into 2x dx plus 6. So that is equal here 3 common, x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 1. Apply 3 into x square 3x square, 3 into minus 2x minus cx, 3 into 1 3 plus 1 4. So this is equal to 3 into x minus 1 whole square plus 1, x minus 1 whole square plus 1, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x minus 1 whole square is greater than or equal to 0 because x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, put x is equal to 1 means what? 1 minus 1 whole square is equal to 0 and 0 koda. So x minus 1 whole square greater than or equal to 0. 3 into x minus 1 whole square is greater than or equal to 0. So 3 into x minus 1 whole square plus 1 is only greater than 0. 3 into x minus 1 whole square greater than or equal to 0 plus 1 must be greater than or equal greater than 0. So this is greater than 0. So f dash of x, therefore f is strictly increasing. Any doubt? This one no. X minus whole square greater than or equal to 0. Square is always positive. Square is always positive means what? Greater than 0. So x minus 1 no. So x is equal to 1, you have to take x is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 whole square, 0 square equal to 0 also. So 3 into x, 0 into anything equal to 0, greater than or equal to 0, plus 1, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, no, it is greater than 0. This is 1. Okay. Show that the function given by, next to third problem. Show that the function is given by f of x is equal to cos sin x. F of x is equal to sin x is strictly increasing, open interval 0 to pi by 2, b strictly decreasing pi by 2 to pi, strictly increasing in interval, only this interval in between, strictly decreasing 90 to pi, neither increasing nor decreasing in neither increasing nor decreasing on 0 to 2 pi. This problem, first explanation, this is the first quadrant, 0, 90, 180, 270, this is 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So solution, f of x is equal to sin x, f dash of x is equal to cos x. Okay, cos x is greater than in 0 to pi by 2, because in the first quadrant all are positive. Okay, once again, 0 to pi by 2 means which quadrant? First quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive. Positive means what? Greater than 0 or less than 0? Positive means greater than 0. So in first quadrant only greater than 0. So f dash of this is a greater than 0. So f is increasing, strictly increasing. F is strictly increasing on 0 to pi by 2. B f dash of x is equal to cos x is less than 0 on pi by 2 to pi or pi by 2 to pi. Pi by 2 pi which quadrant? 90 to 180 which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant which are positive? Sine, cosecant. Remainings are negative. Remaining means cos means what? Negative. Negative means what? Less than 0. Because you want any explanation means this is the first quadrant, because this is first quadrant all are positive. The second quadrant cos negative, so less than 0. This is strictly decreasing on pi by 2 to pi. So in 0 to 2 pi means first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. It is not constantly, not direct increasing, direct decreasing, not all decreasing, not all increasing. So in the cos x first positive and first quadrant greater than 0, second third quadrant less than 0, fourth quadrant greater than 0. So this is the first one less greater than, second one less than. This is not directly in order, increasing order or decreasing or not a sequential order. So this is not correctly. So finally, so f of x is neither increasing nor decreasing on closed interval 0 comma 2 pi, because first one greater than, second third less than. This is not a equal. So this one tomorrow very important problem. So this is okay. Thank you.